Well, hello everyone. This is Lorabeth. I am on the back porch of my house. I cannot get in my house. I've just come from the store and, well, I reckon it's just the end of the world. I just don't even know what's going on anymore. I had to run down to get a few things. I don't keep a key to the front. We always use the back door. And I've been standing here with my Blue Bunny ice cream just melting into sludge because when I came back here and tried to get in, this is what there was on the door. It's one of them murder hornets. They weren't supposed to be here yet. They're supposed to be out in Washington or somewhere. I just can't stand it. And I've been calling and calling for somebody to come out here and help me or let me in, and they won't. I just don't know what I'm going to do. I can't touch the door as long as this thing is on here. Lorabeth. Gerald, what are you in the kitchen? Come on in here. We're all waiting on you. Gerald, I can't. There's something on the door. It's one of them murder hornets going to sting me and kill me. Lorabeth, that ain't nothing but a toy. Jim Ray thinks he's being funny. Now come on in here. We're standing here waiting on you. A toy. Oh my God. I just can't. I just cannot touch that thing. It's gonna sting me. I just know it. Oh my God. I can get my stuff and get in this house. Oh God, the door better be open. Sweet baby Jesus, how much more can I take? It's not bad enough that we are stuck with this virus. And then we get tornadoes and floods. And now the scourge of these killer bees come in, these murder hornets. I mean, what is going to happen next? Am I going to turn on the tap and blood's going to come out? I mean, this is getting biblical here. I'm afraid I'm going to wake up tomorrow and all the firstborn male children's going to be gone. I don't have to worry about Gerald. He's the last of 7. But Jim Ray, he's my firstborn. Well, gee, I wouldn't want anything to happen to him. Well, you know what? Somehow we will find a way to get through this, horrible as it is.